Hello beautiful people, you are warmly welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be treating the topic of scalp scrubbing. So I know you are ready for this. You have probably been washing your hair and conditioning your hair for as long as you remember. And it is very natural that anytime you get into your shower, the first thing you reach out to when it comes to washing your hair or cleansing your hair is your shampoo bottle. But there is a saying that the health of your hair and the health of your scalp are two different things, and it is very important not to skip out on taking care of your scalp. That's why exactly where scalp scrub come into play in today's video. They are exactly what they sound like: scrub for the scalp. Just like the body scrubs you use to exfoliate your legs, your arms, your face, scalp scrubs remove product buildups, dirt, excess oil, and dead skin cells that are, that gathers at the root of your hair. And we all know that if you want to boost your hair growth, if you want your hair to grow faster, or the very thing that makes our hair to grow faster, all depends on how healthy our scalp is. The glands on our scalp function similarly to the glands on our face, our arms, our legs, you understand? They produce oil that is sebum that maintains the health of your hair and your skin. But if this oil builds up to be excess, shampoo may not be enough to clean it all away. That's where the physical or the chemical exfoliant comes in. In this way, scrubs helps reduce the potential irritations and dandruff caused by excess oil. On 2018 study found that a healthy scalp means a healthy hair growth. Even more, the hair scrubs can get rid of the buildups caused by the hair products that we use, like the butters, the oils, the leave-in, the hair food, all these, especially if you do not wash your hair every day or when you don't use dry shampoos on a regular everyday use. So when you are using this scrub, by the way, this scrub that I'm using here is the foaming sugar hair scrub. The link will be under this video if you are interested to make one for yourself. If you are using the scalp scrub, your attention is on the scalp. Right now you can see that all my attention is on the scalp. I want to dig into my scalp and I want to scrub the scalp to be able to take away all the build-ups that I have been articulating for all these days or all these weeks. And because I have the foaming hair scrub, what I need here is just a little bit of water to give me that movement and the foaming and lathering movement. This helps the finger to be able to massage properly if there is a water and a friction that is going on when you are doing the massaging. So somebody may be asking, who can benefit this type of product? If you have a dry or a flaky scalp, dandruff, you have a very itching scalp, if you have an irritated scalp, if you have an oily scalp, anybody who is on this journey trying to grow their hair, and because when we trying to grow our hair, we use a lot of different products, definitely there's going to be buildups on your scalp, and you want to have a healthy scalp. You want to remove all those buildups. So if you are even struggling with dandruff, if you are struggling struggling with flakiness, if you are struggling with dryness, if you are struggling with itchy or irritated scalp, please run and get one of these scrub. If you are watching me right now and you feel like it's going to be a lot of work for you to, make your own scalp scrub, I have already done that for you. The link is below this video in the description box. On my website, I have that on there. Just purchase one for yourself and thank me later. If you think like, okay, I am creative, I have all the time, I can make these, remember I have also the recipe where you can benefit. You can make your own sugar scrub, step by step, very easy and very affordable. Guys, if you have watched this video up to this place, I would like you to give a thumbs up to this video, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed, guys, I am bringing a lot of recipes this summer and even beyond. As long as we have the platform, we are ready to help. So hit on that subscription button and remember to put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload now in the future, you can get access. Now, after doing all that, I have realized that my tips or my hair tips are a little light. So I want to now do some, how do we call it? I'm just taking out the tips. I'm just taking out the dead ends so my hair can look healthy. So I prefer this method. I saw this here on this YouTube and I think it makes sense. With this, I know the amount of hair that I need to take off or to trim. So it's a way of trimming your hair, but then you are in control of how much hair you want to trim, especially if your head and the tip of your hair, it's very tiny. You can see where I am starting from where it starts to get thinner. That is where I need to take off or trim off, because that means that that side of the hair is dead and needs to be gone so that my hair can look healthy and it can grow faster. Once again, I appreciate your time being here. I hope this video has been helpful to you and I hope that you are going to start practicing this. If you are not seeing a hair growth, this could be one of the reasons. Because when you exfoliate your scalp, what happens is that all the old dead cells will be removed and you will expose new cells which are ready to receive all the nutrients and the vitamins and the fertilizers. You are going to be feeding them and it's going to work faster. Your follicles are going to receive this faster than when there are build-ups on your scalp. I believe many people, since they have started this hair growth journey, have not used scalp scrub. So now you know, get one for yourself or make one for yourself. Thank you once again and I will see you next. Bye-bye.